said, here's what I've done is I've put masking tape all around the edge. So I've created a border. Why is that, you might ask? Well, it's because I want to, I'd like to have the sort of dark bit in the middle, so the actual board in the middle, and create a sort of colourful border around the edge, which is why I have green paint as well, and it's chalk paint. So what have I done? I've also, so I wet my paintbrush a little bit, and I've put some of that almost black, nearly black chalk paint in here. I'm now going to mix it all up sort of slowly so that I don't create bubbles in the paint, and then I'm going to paint this whole rectangle that you see, the middle bit, and then wait for it to dry. But I'll show you what it looks like, okay, in a little bit. And here we are. I actually painted it fairly quickly because one of the properties of chalk paint is that it's thick and it's gives sort of maximum coverage. So this is just one coat of paint. You'll see I've gone over into the masking onto the masking tape, but that doesn't matter because that's going to come off. So as I said, it's quite windy, so I'll probably come back and check in about half an hour to 45 minutes and see how it's drying, because I'm not going to take the masking tape off until it's dry. Okay. Hello, I've removed the masking tape, as you can see, and it's actually looks quite good. I'm trying to work really quickly because it's spitting slightly with the rain, as you probably see on the blackboard, and I don't want to get it ruined. I actually ended up giving 2 coats of black paint. It dried quickly. I now have this border that actually could be left as it is, but I think I'm going to have fun painting anyway. So my next step is going to be to add the masking tape to the black bit, so that I can paint the border green. I will show you how in a minute. Hi, as you can see, I've had to move indoors because of the rain. So what I've done is I've now put the masking tape around on the black paint, and I've used a cutting knife or a Stanley knife to cut off sort of the masking tape at the corners. I haven't done it here yet, but it's all going to look like that. And I'm getting ready to prepare my green paint. I'm using a smaller paintbrush because it's a smaller area to cover, and again, I'm going to wet the paintbrush before I start painting. So I'll show you what it looks like in a bit. So this is what it looks like now. I'm probably going to need to add another coat of green because I think my paintbrush was a little bit too wet, so it's too watered down. And looks a bit strange because of the purple, but don't forget that will come off. And so yeah, we're nearly there. Hello, and here's the final product, the final result. It works. It's a bit dirty at the moment because I've tried to wipe it clean, but I'm trying not to apply too much pressure. I'm using kind of damp cloth, and I've just noticed that some of the paint sort of starting to come off a bit, as you will probably see here. And I've been reading up on that, and I think it's because although this is chalk paint, that's different to chalkboard paint. So, but it's fine. I'm using it for my online lessons, and it does the job. Okay, bye for now. Thank you for watching.